Good morning, children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. This is a revision assignment number 1 of 6th class. The topic Unit 1. Clever Tenali Ramakrishna. So reading comprehensions means passages. See, let us see the first passage. But Chitravarma's plans and actions led to confusion everywhere. He had never handled the matter of court before. His decisions were irrelevant. His conclusions lacked sense. With this, the people grew impatient, yet the emperor continued to support him. The elders of empire decided to seek help from the court's jester, Tenali Ramakrishna, in this matter. Tenali Ramakrishna told them that he had an idea and arrived them not to worry. See, first one, why did Chitravarma's plans and actions lead to confusion? The answer for this one is because he was not good at advising. Second one, how were the decisions of Chitravarma? See here, he had never handled the court before. His decisions were irrelevant. Second one answer, irrelevant. Next, third one, how were his conclusions? His conclusions lacked sense. His conclusions lacked sense. Now let us see. Why did the people grow impatient? Because his conclusions lacked sense. Next, what did the elders of the empire decide to do? They decided to meet and take Tenali Ramakrishna's help. Second passage, say, so read it yourself. The conversation between Nasruddin and neighbor. So Nasruddin says, I am not feeling well. I can't walk all the way to the court. For that, neighbor says, then you can have my horse to ride on. For that, Nasruddin, but I can't appear before the judge dressed in these old robes, and I have nothing also to wear. Neighbor, don't worry about the clothes. I will lend you my new coat. Nasruddin, okay, then I will go with you at the court. Neighbor, Your Honor, listen to my story. This man prays loudly every morning, and he told the whole story. Means he continues the story to the judge to the neighbor. So the bag of money which Nasruddin found is yours. Neighbor, that's the truth, Your Honor. See, what was the first objection of Nasruddin to go to court? He was not feeling well and he didn't have suitable robe. Why did the neighbor lend this new quote to Nasruddin. He told that he didn't have proper coat. Who told the whole story to the judge? The neighbor told the whole story to the judge. Who found the bag of money? Nasruddin. Whose money was it really? Actually, it's the money of neighbor. The neighbor's money. Okay? Next. Say unseen comprehension. Unseen comprehension classes. One table is given. Serial number, class. Say 1, 2, 3, class 5, 6, 7, boys 20. In class 5th, in class 6, 15 boys. Class 7th, 21 boys, girls. So class 5th, 15 girls. Class 6th, 22 girls. And in class 7th, 18. Total 35, 37, 39. Which class has 20 boys? See here. So this one. Which class? Class 5th. How many girls are there in class 6? In class 6, how many girls? 22 girls. Right? Next. Which class has 21 boys? See? 21 boys. Class 7. Take class 5th, class 6th, class 7th. So class 7th, option C. Which class has row 37? Class 5, class 6, class 7. See, total 37, class 6. Class 6 means option B. Next. Which of the following statements is true? Class 6th has 18 girls. Option B. Class 7th has 20 boys. C. The total number of boys and girls in the class 5 is 45. C. Class 6th has 18 girls. Class 16, no, it's wrong. Next. Class 7th has 20 boys. Class 7th, 20 boys, no here. 21 boys. Next, the total number of boys and girls in the class 5 is 35. See, class 5, 35 is so option C. Option C is correct one. Right, children? I hope you got this. Thank you. All the best.